In this tutorial, we will show you how to use two different fitness trackers for your Healthy365 app. So let's start up the app. So in the season 6 of the Healthy365 challenge, there is a sleep challenge where you can earn points if you clock 7 hours of rest every night. So currently it is synchronized to our fitness tracker, which is the Astrofit3 over here. So we have just clocked 8.5 hours of sleep for last night. So let's do a sync. Okay, this is to ensure that this data is captured and I get my 25 points for clocking 7 hours of rest. So I've got the Garmin Smartwatch that I use it for my daily activities. And how do I clock my steps to the Healthy365? Here's how to do it. Let's go to Profile. So as you can see, my current fitness tracker is the Astrofit3. And once I've clocked my night's rest for my daily activities, I will change it to the Garmin Smartwatch. And here's how. Tap on the fitness tracker, select change tracker. So there's a notice to sync your existing tracker, which we have done. So select yes. And we will pair with other fitness app. So there's a notice here that the sleep tracking is not supported on other fitness trackers except for the Astrofit3 or the Tempo 4C. So we'll confirm. We'll select Garmin Connect. So you need to sign in your Garmin account. So do take note that our Garmin smartwatch and account has already been synchronized with the Healthy365 app. We are just changing the fitness tracker to track our steps for the day. So let's sign in. So now our fitness app is now connected to the Healthy365 app. Let's go to Home. So we can go about our daily activities and the steps clocked will be on the Garmin Smartwatch. Let's go to Profile. As you can see here, now my fitness tracker is Garmin Connect. So how do we change it back to the HPB sleep tracker at the end of the day when we have clocked all our steps? Before that, do make sure that you have synchronized all your steps, which is to sync the new tracker before you change it back to the HPB sleep tracker. Now that's very important. If you do not synchronize and you change it back to the HPB sleep tracker, you will lose all your steps count for the day. So once you have synchronized your Garmin tracker to the Healthy365 app, go to Profile. And to change it back to the sleep tracker or the Astrofit3, simply tap on My Fitness Tracker. Select Change Tracker. Again, there's a notice to remind you to sync your existing app. Be sure that you have synced your Garmin tracker steps to the Healthy365 app. So select Yes, and this time you select HPB trackers. And we'll scan via the QR code, which is a very easy way to synchronize our sleep tracker to the 365 app. And there you are done. Your tracker is now connected. So if you go to Home and go back to Profile, you can see that the fitness tracker is now Astrofit3. And you can get your good night's rest and meet the sleep challenge to clock the 25 points for 7 hours of rest. And when you're done, you can always change back to your other fitness tracker. And so this is how you use two different trackers for your Healthy 365 challenge.